Hello students, now in this video today I'll be starting with the questions of exercise 8.2. Third question, a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400. 80 article they are costing rupees 2400 because CP of 80 articles is given 2400 and sells them with a profit of 16%. Profit is given 16%. Now the question says that you have to find the selling price of one article. For one article we have to find out the selling price. Now cost price of 80 articles is given, so we can find the cost price of one article. Cost price of one article will be, this is the price for 80 articles. So for one article we'll have to divide it by 80. 8 3s are 24. So that the cost price of one article is rupees 30. Now we have to find out the selling price when the profit is given as 16%. Profit is 16%. Now 16% is the profit given for the 30 rupees. So that the selling price is cost price plus the profit. Cost price for one single item is 30 rupees plus 16% of 30, which is equal to 30 plus 16% means 16 upon 100 into 30. 16 3s is 48 and 48 divided by 10 is 4.8, which in turn gives us 34.8 rupees. So this is the selling price of one article. Next question. The cost of an article was cost of an article. So the cost price is given as 15,500 rupees. Now rupees 450 were spent on its repair. Repairing charge is given as rupees 450. So that we can count it as the overhead expense. And overhead expense is always added in the cost price. So repairing charge is given 450. So that total CP is 15,950 rupees. Now the question says that if it is sold at a profit of 15%. So profit of 15%. So let us calculate the profit. Profit is 15% of 15,950 rupees, as this is the actual CP with the repairing charge added. So let us calculate 15 upon 100 into, on the calculation of this we will be getting 2392.50. The profit is rupees 2392.50. Now we have to calculate out when the selling price of the article. So the selling price is cost price plus the profit, and cost price is rupees 15,950 and the profit is rupees 2392.50. On addition of this, we'll be getting 18,342.50 rupees. So this is the selling price of the article. Next question is, a VCR and a TV were both bought for rupees 8,000 each. So that the selling cost price is given. Cost price for VCR and cost price of TV, both is given rupees 8,000. Now the shopkeeper made a loss of 4% on VCR. There is loss of 4% on the VCR and profit of 8%. 8% on TV. Now you have to find out the net gain or loss percent in this transaction. Now let us calculate for each. CP for VCR is 8,000 and loss is 4%. So that the selling price of VCR will be 8,000 rupees minus the loss. CP minus loss. CP is this and loss is 4% of 8,000. 8,000 minus 4 upon 100 into 8,000. 4% of this. 8 4s are 32. So that this is 320 rupees. 8,000 minus 320 rupees, which is equals to 7680 rupees. Now we will calculate for the CP of TV. CP of TV is given 8,000 and profit is 8%. So that the selling price is rupees 8,000 plus 8% of 8,000. 8% of 8,000. On calculation, it is a 64. This is equals to 8,000 plus 640 rupees. 8,640 rupees. This is the selling price for TV. Now we have to find out the gain or loss percent in whole transaction. So first we will find out that how much is the gain or the loss. Total CP for both will be 8,000 plus 8,000, that is 16,000 rupees, and total SP 7,680 plus 8,640 rupees is equal to a total of 16,320 rupees. Now we will find out that just we can see that this SP is greater than CP, so there is gain, and gain is SP minus CP. SP minus CP. SP is 16,320 minus 16,000, that is rupees 320 rupees. 320 rupees is the gain. Now we have to find out the gain percent. Gain percent is 320. This gain is calculated on the CP 16,000 and the percent. 16 to the 32, that is 2% is the gain. 2% is the gain. Now in my next video I'll be explaining you some more questions.